Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a wonderful day. So today's episode of my video is I am going to take you to Talibastaga in San Fernando. And at the moment I am in Porak. So I'm going to take you there. And also I'm going to talk about how my phone was stolen, but I got it back though. A guy was asking me to make a talk on that. So as I'm going, that's going to be the conversation I'm going to try to make whilst I'm going on my way to Talibastaga. So stay tuned and enjoy.
If I was smart, I'd find you a star, and we could be in love, lighting up the dark. But there's nothing I can do, I can never get to you. So I'm looking for a miracle, like if somebody be so beautiful, It's only a dream, it's how I feel, that you deserve better.
Okay, so guys, I just started my journey to Talibastaga. So I'm going to start talking about how a man in Pampanga here stole my phone, but unfortunately I got it back though. So the thing is that one day we were driving and a friend asked me to, like, after having a long day, busy in town and stuff, a friend asked me out to go and have some coffee, or let me say some drink with him. So we were on our way going, and where we decided to go was Angeles, somewhere around the walking street. So the thing was, when we got there was nowhere to park around. So a guy was actually giving me direction to park somewhere he has given me to park. So during the way he was giving me the direction, I brought my louvers down. I mean my glasses, my window glasses. I brought it down to understand what he's saying. Just to understand what he was saying. So I brought one of my louvers down. Then I was talking to him. So he asked me to park here, and he asked me to be coming reverse. So I started going reverse. Then all of a sudden the guy told me there was actually a motorbike behind me. So I was thinking, not I was thinking, but someone was sitting on the motorbike, and the guy asked me to come back, like keep coming back. So I went back, and all of a sudden the guy told me that I hit the motorbike behind. Then I told the guy, oh really? So me and my friend, we dropped from the car to go and check what actually has happened. So when we went to check, unfortunately I forgot to bring my louvers down, my louvers up. I forgot to bring my glasses up, let me say it that way. So we all dropped to go and check. The whatever has happened to the motorbike. So I actually left my phone inside the car. So when we dropped down, like as I said, I forgot to bring my glasses up, so my phone was in the car. And when we were looking at what the guy told us, or what the guy showed us on the motorbike, he left us and came closer to the car and took the phone, but we didn't see him taking the phone though. So I was actually going back to my car to get the phone, then see what I would do next. Yeah, so when I get back to the car, now I can't find my phone. Yeah, I can't find my phone. So I was confused. I was confused, and I was thinking where I put this phone, because I was thinking I brought this phone. This guy was like, "Oh, we are not sure you brought your phone here, so it will be better if you go to where you are coming from to check." And I was like, "Oh, are you sure?" Yeah. So my friend was asking me, "Are you sure you brought a phone here?" I said, "Yeah, I brought a phone here." So my eye hits my, like, I watched my car, I watched the glasses, I saw that the glasses were down. So I realized that, oh, then this guy took the phone through the window. Yeah, so I accused the guy, "Come on, if you've taken the phone, please let me have the phone back." The guy said he hasn't taken the phone. So quickly I went back to where I was before coming to the walking street area. So I went back there to go and check if I left the phone there. But when I went there, the people around there told me, "No, I didn't leave any phone here." And actually, I didn't even enter where we were before. So I have to rush back. Yeah. So on my way, like when I was going to check the phone at the other place, we left my friend's wife we left my friend's wife behind somewhere walking street. So me and my friend went to where we have to go and check the phone and come back. So when we went there, they told us that, "Oh, we didn't leave the phone here. I didn't even come inside and stuff." So I decided to rush back. Then when I rushed back with my friend, actually when I was coming, I was so mad, and I was sure about the guy taking the phone, but I haven't seen the guy being a proof. So I was very sure the guy took the phone through the window. So that's what I was telling my friend, and my friend was like, "Yeah, I'm also sure the guy took the phone through the window." So we rushed back to walking street, and we went to see the guy. The guy is actually old though. Yeah, he's I think like 40 plus to 50, I guess. Yeah. So when we came back, I was like, "Kuya, if you know you've taken my phone, give it to me back before I report you to the police." The guy said he hasn't taken any phone. I was like, "Are you serious?" He said, "Yeah, I didn't take any phone." So my friend I was working with called the guy aside. Yeah, like man-to-man talk. Yeah. So he called the guy aside. Then they started talking. Then my friend told him that, "You know, my friend, if you have taken the phone, just give it to me back. I'll give you 1,000 peso." So according to my friend telling me this, the guy was staring at my friend like you know what I mean, like, okay, like things that is going through his mind is like, okay, I'm going to give it to you, but I have to get my 1,000 pesos and stuff. So he was waiting for my friend, and all of a sudden my friend told him, "Yeah, give it to me back, then I'll give you the 1,000. And he said, "Okay, fine." let's go so that I give it to you. Then my friend asked him, where is the phone? The guy said the phone is in the house. Yeah, so when he said the phone is in the house, my friend was like, oh, come on, just now, how did the phone got to your house just now? And the guy was like, I gave it to my daughter when I pick it up. So my daughter took it home. Then my friend was like, oh really? Okay, fine. Let's go to your house so that we get it. The guy was like, okay, get me a tricycle, I'll go and get it back. Then I came in, I said, no, you know what, we are going to drive you to your house. So get into the car so that we go with you. He was thinking twice, he didn't want to go. So he didn't want to go, so like, not that he didn't want to go per se, but he was scared that we two are taking him home. Yeah, so when I started talking to him that, you know what, don't worry, we are going to your place, nothing is going to happen, we are not going to report you or something. Because what was going through his mind was like, we are going to report him to the police. So I told him, you know what, we are not going to report you to the police, but just take us home so that we get a phone, then everything will be fine. Yeah, so on our way home, I was actually mad though. Yeah, so I was asking him, how come just now you took the phone and gave it to your daughter, then all of a sudden the phone has gotten to your house? Actually, his house was like, let's say 3 minutes drive from Walking Street in Pampanga. Yeah, actually. So the thing was that we took him home, then we got the phone. Yeah, so actually when the phone was with them, we were calling, the phone was actually ringing before, but all of a sudden it stopped ringing. And the phone has a password and it's inbuilt battery, so they can't remove the battery. So what they did was they removed the SIM card in the phone. Yeah, so we couldn't reach it again. So when we got home, when we got to his house, actually, we were able to retrieve, or we were able to get our phone, or we were able to get the phone back. Yeah. So actually, the wife of the guy is my friend's wife's friend. You understand? Yeah, like the wife's guy and my friend's wife were friends, like childhood friends. So they know each other. So when the guy's wife came out to see my friend's wife, she was like, oh, why did you do that? That's my friend. And like, we were all shocked that, we know my friend's wife know the wife, so we couldn't even take this story to the next level or something. So all that we did was, okay, we got the phone back. But the funny thing was that the guy was still expecting the 1,000 my friend promised him. Yeah, and my friend was like, drive the car and let's go. So it's like the promise my friend made to him, he didn't fulfill it. Yeah, so when it happened, so my friend was like, drive and let's go. So we left the guy there and we came back to Walking Street to have some drinks and stuff. Then that was the whole story. Yeah, so that was my experience when someone took my phone though. Yeah, I know I got a lot of experience concerning people taking my phone. Some are even funny. Yeah, some are even funny. Yeah. So the guy who asked me to tell them my experience on how my phone was taken. Yeah, as you can see, this is the video I made for you and everybody to understand why they took my phone. But I got it back though. Yeah. So the thing is, when you are in town, just be careful. Yeah, just be careful with people around you, and don't easily trust anybody around you. Don't easily trust. Yeah, I think trust was what made me lose my phone then. Yeah, so I would say to you, don't easily trust, and just be careful. Just be careful with whatever you do. Yeah, just be careful. Yeah, and also the foreigners around, also just be careful. Also, just know that this country is not your country, so whatever you are doing, you have to be careful. Yeah, and be nice to Filipinos. Yeah, when you are nice to them, they are also going to be nice to you. Yeah, so that is my story. And yeah, thank you for watching, or thank you for listening to my story. Though I haven't gotten to where I'm going, but thank you for watching my video and listening to my story. Yeah, and also I'd like to give some shout out to some friends out there. Yeah, I have some friends in Qatar, Hong Kong, Europe, and America, Canada. Yeah, shout out to you guys. And my African friends, yeah, shout out to you guys also. And my Filipino friends also. Yeah, keep supporting my channel. Yeah, I'm glad to have you guys around me. Yeah, so enjoy and take care. Peace out.